In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys here how to mint NFTs on your phone step by step. Now this is gonna be legit and not some fake minting. This is gonna be minting on real blockchains like Polygon, Ethereum, and Binance using your phone and these two apps. I'm gonna show you guys here step by step how to use them. What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and I love bringing you guys here the latest crypto videos here. If you guys love crypto, NFTs, all that good stuff, leave a like and subscribe with that notification bell so you guys can keep up to date with my videos. So let me show you guys here the top two apps on how to mint NFTs at the moment. Now, of course, if there's a new app, I'll bring a new video on that. These are the two apps that I found on the iPhone. If there's an Android version, I'll leave that in the link too. I'll leave both the links in the description below so you guys can download these two apps. So the first one is going to be here is called NFT Go. And this first one allows you to mint on Ethereum and Polygon chain. And again, the main difference here is that there's apps out there that allows you to mint, but really all you're doing is buying the photos only on their app. When you mint using the blockchain on Ethereum, Polygon, or Binance, you can send those NFTs anywhere like OpenSea and sell it there. And you can send it to any wallet that has Ethereum and Polygon and Binance, okay? But this app allows you to use Ethereum and Polygon. Well, how do you mint? Let me show you guys here. You go right here to the middle, create NFT, get started. Then obviously you're gonna choose here a file. Obviously it's gonna be from your photo gallery. If you guys wanna learn how to make NFTs, like the art on your phone, I made a bunch of videos on how to do it. I'll leave it right here in the cards too. Then you click on next. Then here you're gonna put the title, description, and email for the receipt. And then right here, the receiving wallet address, that's optional. So again, I put just random things here just for the example. Then you're gonna click on next. And then right here, this is where it shows you Polygon or Ethereum. So if you want on Ethereum, you click on right there. If you want Polygon, you click right there. Okay, then you click on next. It's going to be preview and submit. Then you're going to click on publish. And this is the thing with this app. So minting NFTs on your phone is super convenient. It's easy, like you just saw. That's really all the steps to do. But there is a fee. And this app does have a fee to mint it legitly on the Polygon and Ethereum chain, which is right here for Polygon is 10 gems. I'm going to show you how much a gem is in this app. On Ethereum, obviously there's higher gas fees, and that is 70 gems that you need. Right here, as you guys can see, I got 0 gems. So let me click on it right here. So 5 gems is $19. So as you guys can see, that's a pretty good amount, right? And just for the Polygon is $33. So then after you do that, it mints it. Okay, it might take a little while for it to mint, but it mints it, and then it's officially on the Polygon and Ethereum chain, and you can see it on your wallet. You can transfer it to OpenSea and see it there as well, and even sell it on OpenSea, which is awesome. And right here on the app, what's awesome too is you guys can see other stores. You can have your own store here, okay? And you can see other stores, how people are making their NFTs. You can actually buy these NFTs here too, sold out, sold out. So you click on one. You just click right here, buy now for 40 gems. You could buy using the app currency, okay? But it tells you right here, contract address, the token ID, and the blockchain Polygon. So this is legit, okay? This is not, there's a lot of NFT apps out there that just have, you know, NFTs, but they're not really on the blockchain, which means they're not really an NFT. You're just buying it from the app, right? So this app is really legit. Probably the best one that I found so far that allows you to mint and even buy NFTs using your phone. Now let's go here to the second app that allows you to buy and mint NFTs legit on the blockchain, but this one uses Binance chain, okay? This one's called Ninja FT. And this one's really simple. What I like about this one too is they could actually create, they have templates here for you to create your NFTs. So right here, they got some card templates, which is pretty cool. And they even have airdrops. Click right here, airdrops, daily NFT airdrops coming soon. So you can get some free airdrops right on this app, which is awesome. They got some other cool features here. Then all you gotta do is click right here, mint NFT. Click it from your phone, of course. Choose the name, put something random. And then right here, this is the cost to mint on the BS chain, which is a lot cheaper. It's gonna be a BEP721 token on the Binance Smart Chain. It's gonna be $5. So that's how much you pay to mint on the Binance Smart Chain using your phone. And it's pretty easy, like you saw, it's very convenient using this app. So that's how you do it on this app, step by step. Again, these are the only two apps that I found so far that lets you mint NFTs using your phone legit way on the blockchain. Again, if there's new apps in the future, I'm gonna bring all the videos, so subscribe and put that notification bell so you can be the first ones to watch. But that's how you guys do it on your phone. All the app links are in the description below, and thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.